Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I would like to explain very important problems in the chapter trigonometric equations. See the first problem, solve the equation cos 2 theta plus cos 8 theta equal to cos 5 theta. Here, given equation is cos 2 theta plus cos 8 theta is equal to cos 5 theta. Here LHS side is in the form of cos C plus cos T. Cos C plus cos T. We know that cos C plus cos T is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Apply this formula, we get 2 cos 2 theta plus 8 theta by 2 into cos 2 theta minus 8 theta by 2 equal to cos 5 theta. Cos 5 theta. 2 cos. Here 2 theta plus 8 theta by 2, that is 10 theta by 2, that is 5 theta, into cos 2 theta minus 8 theta by 2, that is minus 6 theta by 2, that is minus 3 theta, equal to cos 5 theta. 2 cos 5 theta, cos of minus 3 theta. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Here cos of minus 3 theta is cos 3 theta equal to cos 5 theta. Move it into left hand side. 2 cos 5 theta cos 3 theta minus cos 5 theta equal to 0. Take cos 5 theta as common. Cos 5 theta into 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 equal to 0. Here it is in the form of a into b equal to 0. We know that a into b equal to 0, then either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Here cos 5 theta equal to 0 or 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 equal to 0. Cos 5 theta equal to 0 or 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 equal to 0. We can write like this, cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here there are two cases arise. Here, case 1 is cos 5 theta equal to 0. Cos 5 theta equal to 0. We know that the general solution for cos x equal to 0 is x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. Apply this formula. We get general solution is 5 theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 10 where n belongs to z. Now coming to the second case, case 2. Here we have cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 3 theta is equal to. Here we can write 1 by 2 as cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. Now it is in the form of cos x equal to cos alpha. We know that the general solution for cos x equal to cos alpha is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha where n belongs to z. Therefore, general solution is 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. Dividing this equation throughout by 3, we get theta is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9, where n belongs to z. See the next problem. Solve cos 3x minus cos 4x equal to cos 5x minus cos 6x. Given problem is cos 3x minus cos 4x is equal to cos 5x minus cos 6x. Cos 5x minus cos 6x. Here left hand side and right hand side is in the form of cos c minus cos d. We know that the formula for cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Apply this formula in left hand side and right hand side. Minus 2 sin 3x plus 4x by 2 into sin 3x minus 4x by 2 is equal to minus 2 sin 5x plus 6x by 2 into sin 5x minus 6x by 2. Here minus 2 sin 3x plus 4x by 2 is 7x by 2 into sin 3x minus 4x by 2 is minus x by 2 is equal to minus 2 sin 11x by 2 sin minus x by 2 minus x by 2. We know that sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Here minus 2 sin 7x by 2 into sin of minus x by 2 is minus sin x by 2. That equal to minus 2 sin 11x by 2. Here sin of minus x by 2 is minus sin x by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Minus into minus is plus. Sin 7x by 2 into sin x by 2 is equal to, here also minus into minus plus, sin 11x by 2 into sin x by 2. Sin x by 2. Moving this term into left hand side and taking sin x by 2 as common. Sin x by 2 into sin 7x by 2 minus sin 11x by 2 is equal to 0. Sin x by 2 into, here it is in the form of sin c minus sin d. We know that the formula for sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. That is 7x by 2 plus 11x by 2 whole divided by 2 into sin 7x by 2 minus 11x by 2 whole divided by 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 get cancelled. Sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 into cos. Here 7x by 2 plus 11x by 2 is 18x by 2 whole divided by 2. That is 18x by 4, that is 9x by 2. 9x by 2. into sine 7x by 2 minus 11x by 2, that is minus 4x by 2 whole divided by 2, that is minus x, is equal to 0. Here sine of minus x is minus sine x, minus get cancelled. We have sine x by 2 into cos 9x by 2 into sin x is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Here we have sin x by 2 equal to 0 or cos 9x by 2 equal to 0 or sin x equal to 0. Sin x equal to 0. Now there are three cases arise. First case. Case 1. If sin x by 2 is equal to 0. Sin x by 2 equal to 0. We know that the general formula for sin x equal to 0 is x equal to n pi. X equal to n pi. Apply this formula. General solution is x by 2 is equal to n pi. Here x equal to 2n pi for all n belongs to z. This is the first solution. Coming to the second case. Here case 2 is if cos 9x by 2 is equal to 0. We know that the general formula for cos x equal to 0. General formula for cos x equal to 0 is x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Therefore, the general solution is 9x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 9 where n belongs to z. Next. Coming to the third case. Here case 3 is case 3. If sin x equal to 0. Sin x equal to 0. We know that the general solution for sin x equal to 0 is x equal to n pi where n belongs to z. Coming to the next problem, if tan of pi cos theta equal to cot of pi sin theta, then prove that cos of theta minus pi by 4 equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. According to the given problem, given equation is tan pi cos theta is equal to cot pi sin theta. Cot pi sin theta. In RHS side, we convert cot into tan of an angle. Here LHS is tan of pi cos theta, that is equal to cot pi sin theta is tan of pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. Pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. Now it is in the form of tan theta equal to tan alpha. We know that the general solution for tan theta is equal to tan alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha where n belongs to z. Where n belongs to z. Apply this formula. Therefore, the general solution is pi cos theta is equal to n pi plus, here the value of alpha is pi by 2 minus pi sin theta where n belongs to z. Where n belongs to z. Here, move it into left hand side. Pi cos theta plus pi sin theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. N pi plus pi by 2. In left hand side and right hand side, take pi as common. Pi into cos theta plus sin theta is equal to pi into n plus 1 by 2. Here pi get cancelled. We have cos theta plus sin theta is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Taking LCM in RHS, we get 2n plus 1 by 2. Now dividing both sides by root 2. Cos theta plus sin theta by root 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now dividing by root 2 we get cos theta into 1 by root 2 plus sin theta into 1 by root 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. We convert left hand side is in the form of cos A minus B. That is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. For this we can write cos theta into 1 by root 2 as cos pi by 4 plus sin theta into sin pi by 4. Sin theta into sin pi by 4 equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here left hand side is in the form of cos A minus B. Here cos theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 for all n belongs to z. Here in this problem we have to prove cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. For this we have to substitute n equal to 0 and n equal to minus 1. Put n equal to 0. Put n equal to 0. We get cos theta minus pi by 4. Cos theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Treat it as equation 1. Now we have to substitute n equal to minus 1. Put n equal to minus 1. We get cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is minus 1 by 2 root 2. Treat it as equation 2. By combining 1 and 2 equations, we get cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 root